Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. Folks, in this video I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to change your Facebook page name. I'll do the entire procedure here on computer and it's a very simple updated tutorial. So let's begin. The first step is to locate on the side. If your page is in shortcuts, then for me it's already showing right here my page I want to change. If it's not showing up for you, if the name isn't appearing here, click on See More, scroll down and click on Pages if it's not appearing under My Shortcuts, okay? Click on Pages, locate your page here, so I'm going to click on my page. So now I'm already inside my page, folks. Here on the side, if you notice, it asks you to switch to the current page to perform certain actions and modifications. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'll click here on Toggle, I'll click Toggle, I'll confirm. It's changing here, so I've already changed it, folks. Now click here on Settings, right here on the side. Click here on Page Configuration, down below. And here's the page name, folks. Click on it. The username and page name will appear here, so I'll click on Page Name, then click Edit. I'll change it up here. Remember, folks, you can only change it again after 60 days. If you regret it, wait 60 days. Then, folks, just click here on Check Change. So here's the current name and the name I changed it to, folks. Mundo Paiva Tecnologia. You need to enter your password here, down below. Now click here on Request Change. Did you get it, folks? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Big hug. God bless you. Thanks.